If you ever notice that anytime when you see some kind of image in your WhatsApp, it's automatically being saved to your gallery. So here's how to turn it off, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a very good life hack. So in order to fix this problem, open up your WhatsApp. After that, we gotta tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Let's do this. Now press settings. After that, we're going to scroll down to our chats tab. In our chats tab, locate your media visibility. This is the option that corresponds with this problem. So let's tap on the switch to turn it off because it's enabled by the default. And basically that is it. Now we can control which media we're saving by ourselves, which is a great thing. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.